you. But really, you cannot be destroyed. All that can be destroyed is just the rubbish that you have gathered. All that can be destroyed is something that is not you. When it is all destroyed, then you will feel that you are indestructible. You are deathless. Passing through death, consciously passing through death, one becomes aware of life eternal. These few days you will be here with me. Many things are possible. But the first step to remember is pass through suffering. Many times I create suffering for you. Many times I create the situation in which all that is suppressed within you comes up. Don't push it down. Don't repress it. Allow it. Free it. If you can free your suppressed suffering, you will become free of it. And you can come to the state of bliss only when all suffering has been passed through, completely dropped. And I can see through you. The flame of bliss is just near by the corner. Once a glimpse, and that flame becomes yours. I will push you in many ways to have a glimpse of it. If you miss, you will be responsible, no one else. The river is flowing, but if you cannot go down, if you cannot come down from your egoistic state of mind, you may go back thirsty. Don't blame the river. The river was there, but you were paralyzed by your ego. That's what Nanan says.